This is for Peace sensor cable rework. Here's your cable, black cable. It routes all the way from here to here. Okay. First thing we're gonna do is take off the connector right here. And to do that, we pull up gently. Once it frees up, we're gonna kinda get the other side of the cable, which is over here. As you can see, it's underneath the RF pass-through. So we're gonna pull from your left side going out. Okay, pull gently. Okay, once that frees up, we're gonna route it underneath the WWAN module. Okay, and to do that, just take it underneath and push it under. Okay, and then once it appears from the other side, okay, just go ahead and grab it. So as you can see, it's underneath the WAN cable. We're gonna reconnect it, but before we connect it, there's a cable, right? You want to tuck that inside underneath the WWAN module, and then this cable, the Peace sensor cable, goes over it and then gets reconnected. Okay, and the way to have the orientation is your black connector or black wire is on your right. Okay, and connect it like so, and then push it down. So now you have a connected Peace sensor cable. Next thing to do is to reroute this. Okay, tuck it in underneath, and the most important thing is to keep it away from this USB port as well. Okay, so you want to be able to tuck this in away from that USB as well. So and that completes the rework or cable routing.